What is the deepest part of the ocean?
The deepest point in the ocean is the Challenger Deep. It was discovered by the HMS Challenger, and it is in the Mariana Trench, about a day steaming south of Guam. And we've now been all over the world, and people go, well, is there a place even deeper? And the answer is no. There was one place that was close called the Horizon Deep in the Tonga Trench, also in the Pacific. But just to make sure, we went there, we mapped it, and I dove it personally, and it was about 120 meters shallower. So it was close, but no cigar.
So how deep are we going?
It's 11,000 meters. It's actually technically 10,935 meters is the absolute bottom of the ocean. I've now been there 12 times. We've measured it thoroughly, mapped it thoroughly. I'll be going back again for maybe another 3 more dives. And yeah, so that's the deepest point in the planet.
What are you finding in the deepest point?
It's interesting. A lot of people thought it'd be a barren wasteland, but it actually isn't. The best analogy I can make is that the ultra deep parts of the ocean are like the deserts of the ocean. It doesn't mean they're dead. It just means the life there is sparse, but it's very specialized. So there are small shrimp-like creatures called amphipods that live down there that are no more than an inch long, but they survive in these extraordinarily harsh conditions. It's 8 tons of pressure per square inch. That's like having 4 automobiles on your fingernail. That's how much pressure is down there. It's freezing cold. It's incredibly salty, of course, because it's salt water. So this is an incredibly corrosive environment. You have life that lives there. You have these worms that burrow into the ground. You have microbes that are living there. And we also have discovered in multiple trenches now what we call bacterial mats, which are colonies of bacteria that are living on the rocks in these areas with no sunlight. And they're actually getting chemical reactions from the methane seeping from the rocks and from the minerals in the rocks that they live on. If there is life on other planets, it is probably going to be more similar to the life we've seen at the bottom of the deep ocean trenches than anything that we see on land.